The moment you open your eyes in the morning, your body is whispering to you. Hours of sleep have passed, your muscles have rested, your brain has processed the day before, and your energy reserves are ready to be awakened, but only if you respond. Too often we stumble out of bed, reach for our phones, and stumble through the morning half awake. But imagine this, a morning where every action you take ignites your energy, fuels your focus, and lights up your mood for the day ahead. This is not magic, it's science. It begins with the most basic, overlooked habit, hydration. When you sleep, your body loses water through breathing, sweating, and metabolic processes. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling fatigued, dizzy, or unfocused. Drinking a glass of water the moment you wake up isn't just a ritual, it's the ignition switch for your metabolism, helping your cells activate and your brain signal clarity to flow. Adding a slice of lemon or a pinch of natural minerals doesn't just enhance taste, it replenishes electrolytes and supports digestion. Each sip is a tiny surge of vitality, a gentle awakening from the cellular level, telling your body it's time to shine. And once your body is hydrated, it's ready for movement. The second habit is deceptively simple but profoundly powerful. Move your body. You don't need an hour-long workout or a complex routine. Even 5 minutes of stretching or light exercises can trigger a cascade of biochemical responses. Blood rushes through your veins, endorphins flood your system, and oxygen reaches every cell. Your muscles awaken, your joints loosen, and your mind, often clouded by sleep inertia, suddenly sharpens. It's a dialogue between mind and body, a physical conversation that tells your nervous system, we're awake, alive, ready. Step into this flow. Feel your chest expand, your spine stretch, and you're no longer just a person rising from bed. You are energy incarnate, ready to meet the day. The third pillar of an energized morning lies in the food you nourish yourself with. Breakfast is not optional. It is your body's fuel for mental clarity and physical vitality. But this is not about sugar-laden pastries or instant gratification. It's about combining protein, fiber, and healthy fats in a symphony that sustains you. Imagine the warmth of creamy oatmeal sprinkled with berries and nuts, each bite releasing glucose slowly into your bloodstream, maintaining stable energy. Picture avocado toast, golden yolk, whole grains, and leafy greens harmonizing on your plate, offering sustained energy without the afternoon crash. These foods don't just feed your body, they awaken your senses, stabilize your mood, and prime your mind for focus. Each mouthful is an act of self-respect, an acknowledgement that you deserve energy, clarity, and vitality. But physical energy alone isn't enough. To carry this momentum through the day, your mind must also awaken with purpose. This brings us to habit 4, setting intentions. Take a few minutes in the quiet of the morning to outline your top 3 goals or affirmations. This is more than planning. It's a psychological ritual that engages your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus, decision-making, and self-control. By consciously choosing your priorities, you release stress and anxiety before they even surface. Your mind begins the day aligned with action, each thought like a spark igniting a chain of motivation. You are no longer drifting through the hours, you are navigating them with purpose, intentionality, and calm energy. And then, the world itself beckons. The fifth habit, often overlooked but profoundly transformative, is exposure to sunlight and fresh air. Within moments of stepping outside or opening a window, natural light interacts with your retinas, signaling your brain to regulate melatonin and cortisol levels. Your circadian rhythm awakens, your mood lifts, and your alertness spikes. The crispness of morning air fills your lungs, fueling cellular respiration, and the gentle warmth of sunlight on your skin stimulates vitamin D production, supporting immunity and bone health. This is a sensory celebration, a tangible, almost cinematic reminder that the day is yours to inhabit, fully awake, fully alive. Together, these 5 habits, hydration, movement, nourishing breakfast, intentional planning, and sunlight, Create a morning ritual that transcends routine. Each habit builds upon the other, forming a chain reaction that elevates your energy, sharpens your focus, and cultivates resilience. Your body no longer wakes sluggishly. It rises like a symphony of muscle, mind, and spirit, harmonizing with the world around you. Every sip, stretch, bite, thought, and breath is a brushstroke painting a day of vitality and purpose. It's not merely about doing 5 things, it's about transformation. Imagine walking through your morning with clarity, with alertness, with a heart that feels light, and a mind that feels unstoppable. Every decision you make becomes easier. Every task you tackle feels lighter. Every interaction carries warmth and energy. This is the art of mastering your morning, sculpting your day with intention, and claiming energy as your ally rather than a fleeting resource. And the beauty is in the simplicity. These habits require no fancy equipment, no complicated routines, no extreme discipline. They require awareness, consistency, and the willingness to honor your body and mind at the very start of the day. Begin with one habit, integrate another, and slowly, naturally, your mornings evolve into a sanctuary of energy, focus, and joy. So, tomorrow morning, when your eyes open and the world awaits, remember this: your energy is not a coincidence, it is a choice. Hydrate, move, nourish, plan, step into the sunlight. Let your body sing, your mind awaken, and your spirit soar. Every morning is a laboratory, and you are the scientist, crafting a day filled with vitality, purpose, and unstoppable energy. Welcome to Better You Lab, where mornings become powerful, where energy becomes your companion, and where each day is an opportunity to become the best version of yourself.